2 months ago, this little guy, good boy, want a worm? There you go. He showed up while I was painting the patio, and I named him Joseph. For about a month now, he's been coming and landing on my hand every day, all day. Hi, baby. Good boy. Good boy. So hop on. Oh, did she scare you? Okay, come on back. Come on back. Joseph. Joseph. Let's go. Joseph. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Dad's a good boy. Let me go get some more. Okay, Joseph, come on down. Come on down, Joseph. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. And I feed them mealworms. Little Sally, she gets the dried ones, and little Joseph comes down for the live ones. And they have 2 babies that are in the trees, and I'm hoping they'll learn how to come and come back every year and come back and, hi baby. Good boy. That's good. Oh, she flew in front of the camera.